Hi, I'm Simone. Welcome to my channel where we'll talk about plants. Today I'll do a plant review on the philodendron burgundy princess I bought from Gabriella Plants. Also, I'll briefly show you what I bought from Target with Hilton Carter collaboration. So if you are interested in any of these, keep watching! I'll use my unboxing clip here. Gabriella Plants is a popular grower and seller. They are especially known for their philodendron pink princess and their sports cultivar philodendron Rio and Gabby. Burgundy princess is just a made-up name for low variegated pink princess or reverted pink princess. What's so special about burgundy princess from Gabriella Plants is I've seen many posts saying their burgundy princess had tons of pink on the leaves. Also, from the reviews of this product, the plants in these photos just look so nice. So I've always wanted a burgundy princess from Gabriella Plants. Finally, I was able to get one from their restock on May 12th, and I got the plant on May 17th. I hope there will be a little bit pink on the plant so I can run a chop and prop to increase variegation experiment. For pink princess, the variegation is chimeric, which means whether it will continue is very unpredictable. However, you can check the stem. If there is any clear pink stripes on the stem, then the variegation is very likely to continue. Unfortunately, on the plant I got, I didn't find a single pink stripe. This is what it looks like after 12 days. This plant came with some existing cosmetic damages, like these torn leaves and these burned from sunlight or grow light. This is the leaf with the most pink on it, and it's at the bottom, so I guess this is the leaf from mother plant and is what they started to propagate with. This leaf initially has a similar color to this one, but it became much more sad in the past 12 days. But on the back you can still see the nice variegation of a pink princess. However, as the plant grows, the variegation disappears. I did see a little bit pink splashes here, a bit pink speckles, also here and here, a little bit on the back as well. But I didn't see a single pink stripe on the stem. This is the newest leaf on the plant. It's a dark color like black cherry. I did see a little bit pink speckles on it, so I hope it's a good sign. Actually, I kinda like the variegation on Burgundy Princess. The leaves are not pure green, it's a mixed green and dark red. If you take a look at the back of the leaves, there is a lot going on. Some people say for pink princess, even if you didn't see pink stripes on the stem, they still have the genes. So I'm still gonna run the chop and prop experiment. Hopefully I can bring more pink out of it. For this burgundy princess, it's $94 for plant and about $12 for shipping, so in total it's a little over $100. Is it worth the price? You can take a chance to see whether you can get a more variegated plant, but as you can see, the plant I got has no pink stripes on it. And from what I've seen online, there are also people who received plants that only has green leaves. So it really depends. It's the luck of the draw. There are many other options to get a pink princess. You just need to wait for the red plant. For example, last month, Logis had an online sale where they sold a bunch of imperfect pink princess at around $100. These pink princess mainly had some cosmetic damages on the leaves. From what I've seen online, the plants people received were gorgeous. Also, I've noticed recently there are many local plant shops or nurseries selling pink princess at cheaper prices. I feel there are more and more pink princess on the market because it's really easy to do tissue culture on it, and the price should be going down very soon. Lastly, I just wanna briefly go over what I got from Hilton Carter with Target collaboration. You might have already known Hilton Carter. He is an interior designer and plant stylist. Recently, he collaborated with Target, releasing a series of products including live plants, fall plants, and plant accessories. There are quite a few cute items in it. You can go to your local stores to check it out. There are also many videos from other YouTubers about shopping at Target. Today, I just wanna briefly go over my online order and what I got from this series of products. My favorite part of this collaboration is the propagation accessories. When I was about to place the order, many of them were already sold out. I'll put the photos here. There is a really cute wall-mounted propagation vessel, and there is also a whole set of propagation vessels, and there is a table stand one. Here are the two propagation vessels I got. What is interesting about them is the bottom part is marble, so it's quite heavy, and when you hold it in your hands, you kind of feel it has a nice quality. The price is $8 for the smaller one and $10 for the larger one. Wow, it feels really nice. Oh my god, these are really cute. I love it. I also got these stoneware wall planters. There are 3 colors, white, sand, and a black one. These are also quite heavy, and they came with these accessories so you can install them on the wall. But I don't want to drill a hole on the wall, so probably I'll just put it on the side of my cabinet. I'll include the final look in the video about my IKEA cabinet setup, so if you are interested to see it, subscribe to my channel and I'll share it later. By the way, these don't have drainage hole underneath. As Hilton Carter mentioned in his stories, you can just use them as propagation vessels as well, or you can put some large particles like leca at the bottom, then put your normal soil on top of the leca. At this time, many items are already sold out online or in store. I'm not sure whether they will restock them, but I do notice that they restocked this small propagation vessel. If you want any items, keep an eye on the Target website. Maybe there is a chance that they will restock them. I've already air layered the burgundy princess. I'll try to chop and propagate it to see whether I can increase the variegation. And that's all for today's video. If you like this video, leave a comment or give it a thumbs up. It's really helpful to me. If you are curious about the propagation results, please subscribe to my channel. I'll keep you posted. There are more plants videos coming up. See you in the next one.